The multifunction lever, located to the left of the steering wheel, controls the operation of the turn signals, windshield wipers and washer, headlight beam selection, and flash-to-pass lights. For headlight selection, push the multifunction lever away from you to switch the headlights to high beam. Pull the multifunction lever toward you to switch the headlights back to low beam. And you can signal another vehicle with your headlights by lightly pulling the multifunction lever toward you. This flash-to-pass feature will cause the headlights to turn on at high beam and remain on until the multifunction lever is released. This talented little lever also operates the windshield wipers and washer when the ignition switch is in the on position. Rotate the end of the multifunction lever to the first detent for low-speed wiper operation, or to the second detent for high-speed wiper operation. Use the intermittent wiper when weather conditions make a single wiping cycle with a variable pause between cycles desirable. To use the washer, push the multifunction lever inward completely and hold it for as long as washer spray is desired. And here's a great feature. If your vehicle is equipped with auto headlights, your lights will come on when you activate your windshield wipers. When this feature is active, the headlights will turn on approximately 10 seconds after the wipers are turned on if the headlight switch is placed in the auto position. In addition, the headlights will turn off when the wipers are turned off if they were turned on by this feature. If your vehicle is equipped with rain-sensing wipers, this feature senses moisture on the windshield and automatically activates the wipers for you. You can activate the system through your Electronic Vehicle Information Center. The sensitivity of the system is adjustable from the multifunction lever. Wiper delay position 1 is the least sensitive, and wiper delay position 6 is the most sensitive. Your vehicle is equipped with a rear window wiper. Rotating the center part of the switch forward to the on position will activate the wiper. Rotating the center of the switch all the way forward will turn on the wash function. Your vehicle may be equipped with the Smart Beam system. This feature provides increased forward lighting at night by automating high beam control through the use of a digital camera mounted on the inside rear view mirror. This camera detects vehicle-specific light and automatically switches from high beams to low beams until the approaching vehicle is out of view. Please refer to the Owner's Information DVD for complete details and other important safety information.